and welcome to our last video in the series of encryption for dummies. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to try and encode this word using the Playfair cipher. Now Playfair cipher is the most complicated cipher in all 4 ciphers that we've mentioned so far, and we're going to try and explain it as simple as possible. So first thing we do, we choose a keyword. For the simplicity's sake, we chose the keyword key. Now, of course, you could use any other word, and your message will of course be longer than Facebook, but we are uncreative, so we just use that. You write the keyword into it's kind of a box with 5 columns and 5 rows, so it's 5 by 5 box. The thing is, after you write your keyword, which in this case is key, you write every other letter of the alphabet. But even if the letters of the alphabet, if they repeat themselves in the keyword, you miss them out. But in this case, none of the letters repeat themselves, so there was no need to worry. But of course, K, E, and Y repeated themselves, so we didn't write them in. So because otherwise we wouldn't get a 5 by 5 square or box. First thing we do with our message, we divide it into couples of letters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This word has even amount of letters, so there was no need to add extra letters after the word. If you do have a word or a sentence with an odd number of letters, you just add letter X after it. So, first couple of letters is F and A. We find F and we find the letter A inside the square. Now, the key thing here is that we take both letters and switch the corners of the box, because they kind of make a square, so we just switch the corners. So F and A will become Y and G. Y, G. Next thing, C and E. C and E. We switch them again. C becomes K, E becomes D. K and D. The important thing is not to switch the letters around. So if you have C and E, it's not D and K, it's K and D. Then we have B and O. Letter B is right here, letter O is right here. That's one big square, so we do this, B-O-S-K. And OK, what a coincidence, right? O and K. Well, they don't make a square, do they? What do we do now? It's pretty simple. When you're encoding the message, you just go down inside the column. If you were decoding, you would just go up. So we have an O and a K, and we go down to T and C. And here we go with our word, and nobody has any idea that it says Facebook, because people, we're geniuses, what can I say?